Hello, welcome back guys to Spotarya channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to log out from Terabox account on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, simply just go ahead to your Terabox applications over here, and after, if you want to log out from your account, tap on this three slice icon at the top left. And after, in this page, you just have to go ahead to the settings option at the bottom. Just go ahead and tap on it. Simply just tap on this logout option here guys at the bottom, the red font. I'm gonna tap on it like this, and now tap on this logout again. Now we have to wait for a second, and when it's served this page, which is you have to log in again to your account in this Terabox, because it's already logged out from your account in this Terabox application here guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me, a tutorial how to log out from Terabox on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.